This is bicmos inverter for 2 input NOR gate. This is circuit diagram. See here the circuit diagram. Here it is series connection for PMOS, and for NMOS it is parallel connection. Now let us start with stick diagram. Starting with metal. Okay, and here also these two are separate. You can use one metal here. Okay, see here you have to be very careful that these two transistors are not connected to this metal. Okay, so for PMOS you have to use yellow. Okay, keep like that only. And here for these metal they are N connections, N transistor connections. Take 2 N diffusions. Okay, and let us start with the transistor connection, and then here it is an extension to the transistor, so leave it as it is. For the transistor connection, take this thing, make a contact cut wherever necessary here. Okay, this is input A, and another input, how it is taken from here to here. Okay, here also you can take one metal. Even polysilicon can cross the metal. You can take as it is, or else you can represent it with metal. Simply it is better to use the polysilicon itself. And indicate here B. Here contact cut, input B, and here one contact cut. Okay, now the transistors, that is P2 transistors and N2 transistors are formed. Now let us extend these transistors to the bipolar transistors. So in order to extension to the transistor bipolar, what we have to use is, you have to take it with metal, yellow, black, green for the terminals, right? This is what I have explained you earlier. Metal, yellow for base, black for the junction, and these two are for collector and emitter terminals. Now extend these terminals with metal blue, right? Similar way you can extend this to here. Make a contact cut over here, and here also contact cut, represent it with VDD. Okay, this is one transistor has been formed. And now the second transistor you can take with the help of similar way, like metal, yellow, black, and again terminals green. Okay, and extend these terminals with blue. Make a contact cut here. Here one contact cut, here one thing, and here and here. See here, only this transistor is connected to ground, and remaining all are interlinked with the other transistors. Okay, and a similar way for this metal you have taken V out. Similar way here also for the metal you have to take polysilicon, represent it with contact cut, and write V out. Okay, this is the bicmos inverter 2 input NOR gate circuit diagram and stick diagram. So VDD ground with metal. Okay, here P transistor indicated with P diffusion yellow color. Just draw yellow color, and here to differentiate these two you have taken another metal, and N diffusion is drawn over here. Make a transistors, and after that thing this particular P diffusion is extended with metal blue and arranged bipolar transistors. Similar way here also it is extended with metal blue and implemented the transistor bipolar with yellow green terminals. Okay, this is the bicmos inverter 2 input NOR gate.